Ladies and gentlemen, fans and guests, please welcome your hosts, Nikki Mueller and Bobby Tonelli.
What's up, what's up?
What's up, Singapore? Welcome to Marvel Studios' Avengers Infinity War fan event right here at Marina Bay Sands. As part of World Wish Day of the 29th of April, log on to makeawish.org.sg today to see how you can make a child's dream come true.
Awesome, you guys. We love having you here. All right, folks. As they're coming down the purple carpet, it is time for Fan Cam. I'll be saying this a couple times tonight, Fan Cam, and if so...
We're so pleased that you could be here tonight. This is a very special event for us. I think that it's quite commendable of you that you've been here in the thousands since before we even opened the doors this morning at 7 a.m. There's 4,000 of you out here right now. There's another 3,000 people in our exhibition hall who are going to be watching this event via a live simulcast. And so the energy that you've brought to the building today is really exciting, and we appreciate your support. And it just gives us more incentive to bring more events like this to Singapore. So thank you very much for coming out.
Thank you, George. Hello, everyone. I'm as big a fan as all of you are. So I've come here not just as a representative of the Walt Disney Company, but as a fan of the Marvel Universe. Over 18 films in 10 years, and this is the most anticipated film of all times, Avengers. I'm delighted to share and celebrate with all of you. At the Walt Disney Company, we are all about the fans, the communities, and the spirit of storytelling. It's amazing how Marvel has resonated, even in this part of the world, primarily thanks to legendary superheroes with great emotional undercurrents. So, it's fantastic to be in this venue. I'd like to thank George and the Marina Bay Sands for letting us do an event like this with all of you and celebrate it in the spirit of what the Walt Disney Company is about. So without further ado, I'm going to stop talking, and the only way we can get our talent on is if you scream really loudly, Avengers Assemble. You know that. So go for it. Repeat after me. Avengers Assemble. Thank you.
Peeled. And there we have it. There's Joe taking selfies. Wonderful. See, it pays to wait. It pays to wait all those hours to be right up at the front. You never know who you're going to meet.
You never know.
Wunderbar. Wunderbar. Here he's coming. Of the Time Stone, Doctor Strange, Benedict Cumberbatch. Welcome to Singapore. Selfies going out to meet the fans.
Robert Downey Jr.
Say hello, Singapore!
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Iron Man is here, Robert Downey Jr.
Pretty cool. People have been waiting out here for hours. I just want to thank all the fans who have been stood here. Some very young fans over there as well.
Absolutely. Thank
you
you to all of you.
You're the best fans. You really are.
This has to be the coolest fan event I've ever done.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's so good.
You hear that, Singapore?
From where you are in the pits, thank you for being here. The stars are all yours.
First of all, what a great city. so multicultural. The fans are amazing. It's just an amazing place to be, you know? There's a lot of surprises, none of which I can talk about, but I would love to watch audiences watching this movie.
Okay. Last question, right? What is it?
Last question.
Oh, last.
Please sign this.
I signed it. Signed it. Look at this. Pretty close. It's like life.
I love this country so much. I've been here once before, and it's one of my favorite places in the world. I think it's so safe and clean, and the people are so lovely. I'm so excited. Yeah, I always love coming to Asia, especially with a movie like this. I can't wait for the Asian fans to watch the movie. Completely insane. I mean, when I was shooting this movie, I would just look around and there was like half of the superheroes of the world in the same room, and I was like, this is crazy. I'm so excited for the audience to see all of their favorite Marvel characters interacting with each other. Unlikely friendships and chemistry is going to arise from that. And also, I'm excited for people to see us fight against Thanos.
I love it. The fans here are the best in the world, as you can see tonight. It's incredible, the turnout. My brother and I work really hard on these movies because we love to share them with the fans, and this is the chance that we get to do that. Oh, it's incredible. I mean, you know, most of these people have been working together for a decade. We've been working with most of them for 7 years. And I think that, you know, we all had a blast together. It's like a big, happy family. And we're really excited now to share this movie with the rest of the world. You know, just the relationships between all of the characters. For them to see for the first time all these characters on screen together. Oh, I couldn't be happier. Again, Asian fans are incredible. They've been so supportive of Marvel over the years, so supportive of us, and couldn't be happier to show them the film. Yeah, I mean, look, we shot 2 films back to back over the course of 1 year. Logistically, I think one of the most difficult, 2 of the most difficult movies to make in history. Just the size of the cast alone, the scheduling, the complexity of getting everyone there. Very, very difficult, but absolutely worth it, very rewarding, and my brother and I are very happy with the film.
Well, this is actually the first time I've been in Singapore, and it's amazing. I think everybody has been so nice, and the city is absolutely beautiful, and I'm so happy to be a part of this experience. You know, I think it's because it's all our character moments. It's, you know, this will be the 19th movie that Marvel has made, and the last, you know, decade of characters that, you know, we've built for audiences to grow and invest in and love. So I think, you know, with Infinity War, we have all of them coming together, and it'll be the first time that you see all of these characters together in one film. It's amazing. This is 10 years in the making. We've actually never put this many characters in one movie before, so to be able to actually do that and make a great movie and a story that we're so passionate about telling for audience to see, we hope that everybody will enjoy it as much as we do. I think it's really all of the characters, all of the different dynamics and the characters that we have seen in the previous Marvel movies come together. So to see Tony and Doctor Strange and Star-Lord all talking to each other in one shot, I think that's incredible. And it's also very much a Thanos story. You know, we built Thanos in the previous Marvel films and teased him a little bit, and this really is his moment to shine. This is Thanos' journey, so I think a lot of people will be really surprised by what they see.